In front of me is REALME GT 5G, and let me show you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, you need to open your phone dialer, then go to contacts, pick the contact that you would like to block, tap on more icon then, and select block numbers. Just tap on block to confirm that you would like to do it, and as you can see here, you've got the icon, and from now on Lily will not be able to reach you, so she will not be able to call you or send you a message. And also you can go back and enter settings. Here you will notice blocked numbers icon, so just mark it. And here you can also block all unknown callers by tapping on this switcher, or you can add a phone number manually. So just enter the number right here, tap on block, and that's it. To release some number from your blacklist, just tap on cross icon. So this is Lily, and this is the new number that we entered. So that would be all. This is it. This is how you can block numbers. If you've got some annoying caller, smoothly do it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.